Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use CSS in Squarespace step by step. Open your Squarespace site and go to Design, then Custom CSS to begin editing. Start with a small change like colors or fonts to test safely. Use selective selectors to target blocks, pages, or the entire site. Save often and preview on desktop and mobile to confirm responsiveness while you refine your styles. Grab familiar selectors like class, #ID, and element tags to start customizing quickly. Focus on one component at a time, such as buttons or headings, to limit unintended changes. Use the browser inspector to find exact selectors and test small rule sets before applying site-wide. Keep styles modular and comment your snippets so you can revert or reuse them easily across pages and blocks as needed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tutorials you enjoy. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated during long design sprints, and it fits neatly beside your keyboard like a little productivity sidekick. I find it funny how a full bottle equals fewer snack breaks and more focused CSS work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Write media queries for common breakpoints to make sure your site looks great on phones and tablets. Prefer flexible units like %, VW, and rem to maintain consistent spacing and typography across devices. Create small utility classes for repeated patterns such as MXSM or Text Center to speed up styling. Always preview changes on multiple screen sizes and tweak values to balance aesthetics with readability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.